If you're looking for a way to charge two phones simultaneously at full speed, as well as use a USB port for a TeslaCam or a USB audio, a USB power bank is a great way to accomplish that. The thing that you have to do this, though, is a power bank that supports pass-through charging. What that means is that the micro USB port to charge will work at the same time as the USB ports will to discharge. And that's pretty rare in a power bank. Another thing this one has is no power switch. That means when you get in the car turns power on, the battery bank starts charging. You don't have to touch anything or do anything. And one feature that this adds is, since these are battery backed up charging ports, they work all the time, not just when the car's on. So I'm going to connect it up here. I have a flat micro USB cable. It's about 12 inches long, which is nice because it fits well up here in the dock. See, as soon as I plug it in, we start seeing the in light flash on and off. That means it's charging. And then I can connect up the dock connectors. And I just heard my phone come on. So this is a Pixel 3, which is now charging. It's 99% full, so it's not going to charge very quickly, but it is charging. And I can switch sides here. And also charging over there. Now, to see how fast this battery bank is charging, let's connect it to a meter here. So we're currently showing about 11 watts, which is 2.2 amps. So that's the full speed that you can get out of these charging ports. So that works well. And the critical feature that this has, so right now it is the in light is flashing on and off. If I open the door and make the car think I'm getting out, every time you get out of the car, it just stops charging, but it continues supplying power to your devices. And now that we have a USB port open, I can plug a flash drive in and I get USB audio up on my screen. And you could do the same thing with a TeslaCam drive. Now, if you want to use both USB audio and TeslaCam, you have a few options there. One, if you know how to do it, you can partition a drive into multiple drives. But another option is to just use a USB hub. So this one fits in there really well, and it will give you 3 ports, so you can plug in both drives for USB audio and for TeslaCam. But that's about it. If you think this will work well for you, I'll post a link in the description. You can check it out. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe, and leave your video request in the comments.